Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into the mechanics of habits, the philosophy behind replacing them, and actionable steps for meaningful change. Imagine a tree shedding its old leaves in autumn. Now if that tree doesn't grow new leaves in spring, it remains barren, lifeless. Our habits work similarly. When we decide to cut out a habit like smoking or drinking, merely removing it leaves a void. An idle mind is indeed the devil's workshop. When we leave spaces unoccupied, old tendencies and patterns inevitably creep back in. Scientifically, our brain works on neural pathways. Habits, especially ones formed over a long time, carve deep pathways. Removing the habit doesn't erase the pathways, but creating a new habit can reroute it. This is where the metaphor of a river comes in. Think of old habits as a stream following a well-worn path. By introducing a new positive habit, we don't just dam the old path, but create a new course for the water, creating a positive feedback loop. So how can we recognize when we're merely cutting out rather than replacing? And how can we ensure this replacement leads to self-improvement? Awareness is the first step. Observe your tendencies, and every time you catch yourself simply removing a habit, ask, what am I replacing this with? To ensure lasting change and harness the power of positive feedback loops, here are 5 scientifically based guidelines. 1. Substitution. Instead of just quitting a habit, introduce a new one. For instance, replace smoking with deep breathing exercises or a hobby like painting. 2. Consistency. Neural pathways are reinforced by repetition. The more you practice your new habit, the stronger its neural foundation becomes. 3. Environment matters. Surround yourself with triggers for your new habit. Want to read more? Keep a book near your favorite chair. 4. Accountability. Share your goals with a friend or join a community with similar objectives. External accountability can keep you on track. 5. Reward system. The brain loves rewards. Celebrate milestones in your journey to reinforce the positive feedback loop. Believe in your power to change. Stand firm, confront those old habits, and always recall that every stride, regardless of its size, edges you nearer to the magnificent life you're meant for. In the wise words of Mahatma Gandhi, be the change that you wish to see in the world. By reshaping our habits, we don't just change ourselves, we pave the way for a transformative ripple effect in the world around us. So go forth and be that change. We're grateful you've been with us on this transformative quest. If this message resonated, or if you have personal tales of triumph, drop us a comment. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell for more content that fuels your spirit. Till we meet again, stay luminous, keep evolving, and remember, you're the master storyteller of your life's most captivating journey.